how to fix the F10 error on the Miele washing machine. So this error is quite common. It shows there is a water inlet problem. So here is a few things that you can check. First, I'm just going to turn it off so that it doesn't make a lot of beep sound. And the first thing that you want to do is check the tap. So make sure it is turned on. If it is turned on, just simply switch it off and then turn it. Now if you are using both taps, then make sure both taps are turned on. Next, you want to check the inlet holes. Make sure it isn't kink, isn't crushed, or isn't bent sharply. Now you may need to pull out the machine lightly and just check below here. Make sure the hose is not twisted or turned. If it is, you can straighten it. Okay, at this step, you can try to restart your washing machine. And it sounds like the water is coming in now. So I can hear the water is actually now coming in and it does not show the error anymore. Now if you do still have the problem, you need to clean the inlet filter. Now you can see here there is a hose right here. We need to unscrew it and clean the filters in here. So the steps are to turn off the tap, unscrew the hose at the back here, and inside the inlet valve you see a small mesh filter. You want to gently pull it out. You can use needle nose pliers if needed, and then rinse under the tap, remove sand or grit, and then you can put it back and reconnect the hose at the back here. Now another thing that you want to check is the water pressure. Miele needs reasonable water pressure for the washing machine, so you want to turn the tap on into a bucket and check the water flow and make sure it is flow strongly. So here you check the water flow and make sure the water flows strongly. Another thing you can do is to reset the machine, so you can switch it off at the power switch here, leave it unplugged for 5 minutes and then plug it back in, try a short wash and see what happens. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, so now we've got soap and water inside. It's not working now. Thank you for watching this video.